Welcome to Cybersecurity Roadmap. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the ultimate cybersecurity roadmap. From basic IT skills to advanced threat hunting, we're covering it all. Ready to become a cybersecurity pro? Let's go. Our journey starts with basic IT skills. You've got to get a grip on the fundamentals before diving into the deep end. Know how hardware and software interact, troubleshoot common issues, and understand basic IT concepts. Next, let's talk about networking fundamentals. Networking is the backbone of everything we do online. Learn about TCP/IP, the OSI model, subnetting, and how data moves from point A to point B. Mastering these concepts will give you the edge in securing networks effectively. Now, onto operating systems. Whether it's Windows or Linux, you need to understand the ins and outs of these platforms. Learn to navigate through system settings, manage files, and understand how these systems handle security. Dive into command line tools and scripting for more advanced control. Programming is next. Why? Because understanding code helps you find vulnerabilities. Learn languages like Python for scripting, C and C++ for system-level programming, and assembly for low-level exploits. These skills will give you the toolkit to develop security solutions and understand threats. With coding under your belt, it's time for security fundamentals. This includes the CIA Triad, confidentiality, integrity, and availability. These principles are the core of security practices. Also, get familiar with risk management to understand how to evaluate and mitigate potential threats. Moving on to network security, firewalls, VPNs, IDS/IPS, these are your first lines of defense against cyber threats. Learn how to configure and manage these tools to create a secure network environment. Study various types of firewalls and intrusion detection systems, and understand how to implement them effectively. Cryptography is a crucial area. Dive into encryption and hashing techniques to protect data. Understand symmetric and asymmetric encryption, how to implement secure algorithms, and the importance of cryptographic keys. Secure communications and data storage are key to preventing unauthorized access. Next up is web security. The web is a major attack vector, so mastering OWASP top vulnerabilities and web application firewalls, WAFs, is essential. Learn how to protect against common web exploits like SQL injection, XSS, and CSRF. Let's dive into identity and access management. IAM. Managing who has access to what is critical. Study methods for user authentication, authorization, and accounting. Implement multi-factor authentication and role-based access control to strengthen security. Now, let's explore vulnerability assessment and penetration testing. Tools like Nmap and Metasploit are essential for identifying and exploiting weaknesses in your systems. Learn how to conduct comprehensive vulnerability scans and perform ethical hacking to uncover and fix security flaws. Incident response and forensics are up next. When an attack happens, you need to respond quickly. Learn how to manage security incidents, analyze attack vectors, and perform digital forensics to understand what went wrong and how to prevent future breaches. Security operations and monitoring. This is about keeping a constant watch over your systems. Use SIEM, Security Information and Event Management, and work in a Security Operations Center, SOC, to monitor, analyze, and respond to security threats in real time. Time to dive into malware analysis and reverse engineering. Understand how malware operates, dissect it to learn its behavior, and develop strategies to defend against it. This involves static and dynamic analysis techniques and tools to reverse engineer malicious code. Next, let's talk ethical hacking. Get certified as an ethical hacker, CEH, or pursue offensive security certifications to prove your skills. Learn how to think like an attacker to better defend against attacks and improve your security posture. Compliance and legal frameworks are crucial. GDPR, HIPAA, and other regulations dictate how you must handle data. Understand these frameworks to ensure your security practices meet legal and regulatory standards, avoiding costly penalties and legal issues. Cloud security is next. With AWS, Azure, and GCP, securing data in the cloud requires understanding cloud-specific security measures. Learn about cloud service models, shared responsibility models, and how to implement security controls in a cloud environment. IoT and mobile security. As more devices connect to the internet, securing IoT devices and mobile platforms becomes increasingly important. Study vulnerabilities unique to these technologies, and learn how to protect them from cyber threats. Threat intelligence and hunting is all about staying ahead of potential threats. Gather and analyze threat data, understand emerging attack trends, and proactively hunt for threats before they become serious issues. Finally, continuous learning and development. Cybersecurity is a constantly evolving field. Stay updated with the latest trends, tools, and techniques. Engage in ongoing education and professional development to keep your skills sharp and stay ahead of new threats. That's a wrap on your cybersecurity roadmap. We've covered everything from IT basics to advanced threat intelligence. Want to dive deeper into any of these topics? Let us know in the comments below and hit that subscribe button for more cybersecurity content. Remember, cybersecurity isn't just a job, it's a mission. Stay vigilant and keep learning. See you in the next video.